The Philippines has reported a new case of Mpox, marking the first instance since December last year, according to local health authorities.
필리핀에서 지난 12월 이후 처음으로 엠폭스 확진 환자가 나왔다고 현지 보건당국이 밝혔습니다.
Right. So Mpox has been causing quite a stir around the world. And it seems that the Philippines has reported a brand new case. It's a patient. It's a 33-year-old man with no recent travel history outside the country, which is why I think it's more concerning for local health authorities. They say that symptoms began over a week ago with a fever followed by a distinctive rash appearing on his face, back, the back of his neck, trunk, groin, palms, and soles. This was reported by the Philippine Department of Health. They say that the last reported Mpox case in the Philippines was back in December of 2023, and the Philippine Department of Health indicated that all previous cases were isolated, treated, and recovered successfully.
Right.
As we know, Mpox, formerly known as monkeypox, it's been declared a public health emergency of international concern by the WHO since early 2024. Over a dozen African countries have reported cases, with the Democratic Republic of Congo accounting for more than 90% of these cases.
네, 주로 아프리카 국가에서 많이 발생하기는 합니다만 유럽에서도 또 이제 아시아에서도 엠폭스 사례가 나오고 있습니다. 그래서 세계보건기구에서는 Public Health Emergency of International Concern, 국제적으로 지금 우려할 만한 그런 세계 보건 그 위험 수준이다 이렇게 보고 있는 건데요. 첫 번째 단어는 an instance of something입니다.
Right, so an instance is an example or a single occurrence of something. It's like a particular situation, an event, or a fact.
Right. 사례라는 뜻이에요. An instance. 그래서 우리가 for instance 이렇게 하기도 하죠. 그러면 예를 들어서인데 그게 이러한 사례도 있다라는 직역의 의미가 있습니다. Health authorities?
Right, so health authorities is used to refer to the government entities which administer health laws or the health department. So in Korea, we would refer to the KCDA or the KCDC as health authorities.
네, 그래요. Health authories는 보건 당국이 되겠습니다. 다시 한번 이제 WHO 세계보건기구가 이제 엠폭스를 지금 어떻게 선포했는지를 말씀을 드리자면은 Public Health Emergency of International Concern. 우리말로는 공식적으로 국제적 공중 보건 비상사태 이렇게 얘기를 하고 있습니다. 자, 다시 한번 읽어볼게요. The Philippines has reported a new case of Mpox, marking the first instance since December last year, according to local health authorities. Here's our next headline.
Archaeologists have conducted the first space excavation on the International Space Station, discovering a rich cultural landscape where crew create their own gravity to replace Earth's and adopt module spaces to suit their needs.
국제우주정거장에 대한 최초의 고고학적 연구가 진행됐습니다. 이를 통해 승무원들이 지구 중력을 대신할 방법을 찾아내거나 자신의 필요에 맞게 모듈 공간을 조정하는 등 풍부한 문화적 사례들이 포착됐습니다. Tell us more.
Yeah, so this is really interesting because you would think that archaeologists go and they dig through, dirt that's thousands and thousands of years old to discover artifacts from people who lived thousands and thousands of years ago. But they actually do things like this. They go through relatively recent stuff.
Yeah.
Because the International Space Station is actually only 23 years old. And it's the first permanent human settlement in space. So they went in and they tried to discover, because people, they leave traces and they build their own culture wherever they go. So they wanted to know what the people up on the ISS do that's different from people here on Earth. And they studied the displays of photos. There's religious icons, artworks made by the crew members there. Because there's people from all over the world. They go visit the station.
Exactly.
And they one of the things that's really different about the people who are up there is that they don't have gravity. So they have to adjust to life without gravity. So they were found to use simple technologies like Velcro, resealable plastic bags. These astronauts are using them to recreate the earthly effect of gravity up in space. So they're creating that sort of environment in a microgravity environment, and creating their own sort of different living environment there. So it's an archaeological finding that you would expect. It's a different sort of civilization, I guess,
Right.
up in space that people looked into that you would not expect. Because they're up in space and we're here on Earth.
그러게 말입니다.
Yeah.
보통 우리가 생각하는 그런 고고학적인 연구는 아니에요.
No.
왜냐하면 이게 국제 우주 정거장에 대한 연구인데 ISS가 23년이 됐군요. 문을 연 지가.
yeah.
그리고 한 280명 정도가 다녀갔다고 합니다. 그래서 이제 거기서 실제로 어떻게 지냈는지 그 주변의 환경은 어땠는지와 같은 것들이 연구 대상이라고 합니다. Cultural landscape라는 표현을 좀 볼게요.
Right. So the cultural landscape describes it's sort of like a historically significant property that shows evidence of human interaction with the physical environment. So the cultural landscape up in the ISS would be very different from us sitting here in this sort of cultural landscape in this studio.
문화적인 모습 내지는 문화적인 경관
Yeah.
이렇게 해석을 할 수 있는데
Yeah, like the environment, I
그렇죠.
guess. Yeah.
네, 환경이 어땠는지를 본다고 볼 수 있겠고요. Suits one's needs.
Right. To suit something means to fit it properly. So if something suits your needs, it means it matches or supplies the services to your needs as well as it can.
Right. Suit someone's needs라고 하면 누군가의 필요를 충족시키다라는 뜻입니다. suit 누구누구라고 하는 표현을 영어에서 많이 쓰는데요. suit yourself 그러면 네가 좋을 대로 해
Yeah.
이런 뜻이 되겠고요. 맞춘다는 의미거든요. suit 누구누구라는 게. 여기서는 이제 어떻게 해서 그 상황에 맞게 스페이스 모듈을 만들었는지 그 외에도 우주 환경에 적응한 여러 가지 흔적들을 이번에 고고학 연구를 통해 밝혀내고 있습니다. Archaeologists have conducted the first space excavation on the International Space Station, discovering a rich cultural landscape where crew create their own gravity to replace Earth's and adapt module spaces to suit their needs. Let's move on to the final headline.
A pair of misplaced scissors has sent a Japanese airport into a major security lockdown, leading to dozens of flight cancellations and delays.
가위 한 개가 분실되면서 일본의 한 공항이 수색을 위해 대대적인 봉쇄에 들어갔고 이 과정에서 수십 건의 항공편이 취소 및 지연되는 일이 발생했습니다. 그러니까 이 일이 지금 일단락된 거죠?
Yes, they
네네.
found it.
아, 그래요.
They found it after a day.
그러면은 사실 a pair of misplaced scissors sent 이렇게 단순 과거로 지금은 이제 바꿔야 되겠네요.
Yeah, yeah.
보통 이제 has sent라고 하면 지금도 유효한 그런 뉴스가 돼야 되는 건데
Yeah.
가위는 이제 찾았다고 합니다. Tell us more.
So 36 flights were canceled and 201 flights were delayed at this Japanese airport. It's the new Chitose Airport in Hokkaido. And this was over the weekend after a pair of scissors went missing in a store near the boarding gates. And what I thought was really amazing about this is that they were actually able to know that the pair of scissors went missing because it's very easy to not even know that something like this goes missing.
Right.
But I guess the security there is very thorough. So they knew, they found out that it went missing and they went on the search for it, but they were not able to find it. So they just locked down the entire airport. So all these flights were canceled, all these flights were delayed. They had to suspend everything for about 2 hours on Saturday morning, leaving hundreds of travelers temporarily stranded at the airport. They tried to locate the missing scissors. They were found at the same store the following day.
아, 그렇군요.
Yeah, so they resumed everything after a couple of hours without being able to find the scissors, but they were able to find it the following
Because
day.
it's a potential weapon.
Yeah, yeah.
잠재적인 무기가 될 수 있기 때문에 이 가위 같은 게 이제 사라졌을 때는 상당히 이제 우려스럽죠.
It's very dangerous, especially at an airport or if it gets carried on, you know, with one of the passengers, who knows what will happen.
Exactly. 자, 이게 일본 홋카이도의 치토세 공항에서 그 국내선 쪽이었다고 하는데요. 한 상점이, 왜 공항 안에 여러 가지 상점들이 있잖아요. 그 상점의 가위감 한 개가 사라진 겁니다. 그래서 이제 대대적인 수색과 그다음에 비행기 지연, 연착, 뭐 그 취소 등등이 있었어요. 그리고 하루가 지난 다음에서야 그 같은 가게 안에서 발견했다고 합니다.
Yeah.
네, 근데 아마 위치가 옮겨지고 또 그 우왕좌왕하는 속에서 찾지 못했나 봐요.
Yeah.
처음에는.
Yeah.
그래서 가위가 혹시라도 누가 가져가서 위험한 일이 발생할까 봐 일단은 공항이 올스톱이 된 상황이었는데 다행히 하루가 지난 이게 다 주말에 일어난 일입니다. 네, 토요일 날 이렇게 일단은 맨 처음에 뭐 연착이 되고 항공편이 취소가 됐고 그 다음날 일요일 날 네, 가위를 찾았다고 합니다.
Isn't that why they, you know, tape it and then tie it to the store?
Yeah,
just
they should do
to
that.
make sure
Yeah,
that,
yeah.
you know,
I'm
no
sure.
one takes it or it doesn't get
Absolutely.
lost.
Yes, indeed. 자, 첫 번째 표현을 보겠습니다. These scissors were misplaced.
Right, misplaced. So misplaced means temporarily lost, especially if it's put in a sort of an unaccustomed place or somewhere where it shouldn't be or in a forgotten place.
원래 있어야 할 자리에 없다는 뜻이에요. 그래서 가위가 없어졌다는 얘기입니다. The scissors were misplaced. 한 단어예요, misplaced. 다음에는 security lockdown이 이어졌죠.
Right, so lockdown, we heard this a lot during COVID.
We did.
We were on lockdown. So lockdown means where, you know, you can't move out of somewhere or you don't get access to an area. It's restricted and you're not able to move in or out. Security means, you know, we're talking about the safety of a state or an organization against criminal activities such as terrorism, theft, espionage. So in this case, the airport security was you know, in concern. So they had to make sure that everyone was safe. So they prevented people from going in and out or flights from going in and out by keeping everyone in the same place.
That's right. 보안 문제로 봉쇄했다는 의미로 security lockdown이 이어졌다라고 했습니다. 우리 청취자 남인숙 님이 better safe than sorry
Yeah.
하는데 정확히 그거예요. 네, better safe than sorry라는 게 그 sorry는 여기서 미안하다가 아니라 후회가 되는 일이란 뜻이거든요. 후회되는 일이 발생하는 것보다는 안전하게 천천히 하는 게 낫지. 바로 그겁니다. 그래서 안전하게 잘 찾아졌고요. 그 가위를 찾았고요. 그다음에 지금 이 상황은 일단락이 됐다고 합니다. 다시 한번 제가 헤드라인 읽어볼게요. A pair of misplaced scissors has sent a Japanese airport into a major security lockdown, leading to dozens of flight cancellations and delays. But this is now over, and this happened over the weekend.